So I did my Eagle project in the Nature Center. I installed 16 tree identification signs and 6 birdhouses, 2 bluebird, 2 wren, and 2 chickadee. These signs, they're from the Voss Sign Company, and there's an aluminum post that will sustain for a long time, will last for a long time. The project took me about 4 months, and I've been planning with Mr. Loewen the entire time. I had a team of 13 people come out here to install the signs last weekend, which was 8/23. Yeah, 8/23, August 23rd, and the project went very well.
So you got classmates to join you in addition to Scouts.
Marshall.
And you investigated a couple other options, working in Saline or other places?
Yes. But their projects, they required too many steps.
Very good. Well, I'm sure we're going to appreciate this a great deal with kids coming in and able to identify the trees. So.
Yeah, that was my idea.
Yeah, excellent. Thank you very much.